Okay, here we are at 110 Main Road, Tawa. We're just going to go back down. We showed you where there was a problem with tree roots before. We're going to come around the corner and we've cut the roots out. Oh, you can see the concrete at the top on the left hand side. So someone smacked a big hole in it and it's cracked the pipe right round. Totally broken. Now we thought we saw a bit of terracotta down there earlier. Hopefully it's just this part here, but obviously there's been a big piece of terracotta that's come out of here somewhere. Could have been when the concreting was done, or a waratah. Looks like there's a bit of concrete in the top left. I'm just going to go down. We believe that the concrete, a bit of terracotta that's gone down the drain, is probably washed down the drain. We've slowly pushed all the way down. We've got a long way to go. We're probably over 60 metres down to the main. I'm just going to chuck a little bit of water down here to get us the water going. Okay, so you can see here there's a bit of debris and stuff. So there we go. There's some of the concrete there. So this here looks like new concrete that's come down. So we think that this is some of the debris that's gone down and blocked up the drain. There's a long way out to the street. Okay, there we go. There's the other piece of terracotta that we saw on the drain. So what's happened is the blockage has started up the top here, obviously, and we've managed to push most of the blockage down. We're at 24 metres down the driveway, and we've got no inspection points to get into. No, there's its moments, I'll tell you. Okay, some new PVC here. Down here we are here. Righty, what do we got here? Oh, here's a big okay. So here we are here. Big tree root. Right at about 45 metres. Okay, we're just going to mark that out. Alright, thank you.